manufacturers have a maze of legacy systems typically and disconnected point solutions and data locked within their ERPs. Each of the customer-facing functions that you see on this slide need access to this data to deliver great customer experience. But today, they're not able to do so because they are working in silos and they don't have a shared view of the single source of truth. What could help solve this problem for manufacturers is an engagement layer like a manufacturing CRM, which can unlock this data residing in their backend systems, be it ERPs or other supply chain related systems, or even data residing with their partners or products that the customers are using at their site. All this data can be injected into that manufacturing CRM to give all these customer facing functions a single view of the customer engagement, which means that they can collaborate easily and make agile decisions faster.